Hi, I'm Melina from Buff Active, and today I'm going to show you how to correctly fit and wear your Buff Active Back Posture Corrector. So it's going to arrive in a package like this. You're going to pull it out. And it's most likely going to arrive like so. So you're going to take the ends of each strap and undo the Velcro. And you'll see at the bottom of the corrector you've got these two buckles. So for each side, you're going to feed the Velcro in. And you're going to attach it right to the bottom of the neoprene fabric. You're going to see you've got the nylon band here and then the neoprene fabric. And you're going to attach it just at the end, which is going to make the corrector the widest opening, which is going to make it easier for you to put on. And then you're going to have the back posture corrector in the figure 8 design, which is going to be really easy to put on. You won't need any help from other people like you find with some other correctors, so that's great. It's going to fit up to a 48-inch chest circumference. So you're going to put each arm in one at a time, just like you were wearing a backpack. And then you're going to find it's probably going to be quite loose. And so you just undo the straps. Undo the straps, tighten it gently. You don't want it too tight. It should just be gently pulling your shoulders back. You don't want it cranking your shoulders back. That's not going to be helpful. So just a nice gentle pull down and then adjust the straps. And you should feel a gentle pull. There should not be any pinching or pain or chafing under your armpits. You should be comfortable to move your arms. And if you find that you're not, then it's too tight. So then you loosen it and then it's gonna fit just like that on your shoulders. You can pull it down. You're going to wear your Buff Active Back Posture Corrector for 15 to 20 minutes a day to start and increase by 15 minutes each day. If you find that you're getting tired or it's painful, then increase the increments slowly. You shouldn't be uncomfortable at any time. And you're going to wear your corrector for up to 6 hours a day during activities where you would find that you would normally have poor posture. Your shoulders would be rounding forward or you'd be getting sore in your upper back area. So great activities to use it would be working at the computer, driving, especially if you're going to be driving for a long time, going to the gym, making sure that you're in correct alignment while you're lifting your weights. Running, even if it's a physical activity where you're going to be getting warm, you're going to find the breathable neoprene fabric is going to not overheat. You're going to be very comfortable, and if you do need to wash the back posture corrector, it's very easy for hand washing. There are instructions on the package on how to hand wash. So don't be shy. Wear your back posture corrector for any activity. The only activity we don't want to wear our back posture corrector for is sleeping. Everything else, you're good to go. Please let us know if you found this video helpful, and if you have any further questions, I have included a link below to the Buff Active YouTube channel where we're going to be posting regular quality content on functional fitness and tips and tricks on how to continue improving your posture with the Buff Active Back Posture Corrector. So make sure to check us out and say hi and give us a follow, and we'll see you soon.